coming back to what we were discussing, see, in supervised machine learning, you always have a target so that your model can generate a relationship between the input and the output in form of that equation, which I was trying to explain, like y is equals to x1 plus x2. But the equation will never be in this form, right? This particular feature may have some weight known as weight W1, and this feature may have some weight known as W2, right? So let's say you have to predict how much loan should I give to a person. So my target is the loan amount. So your X1 can be his current salary and X2 can be his or her credit rating. But now it's not that the salary and credit rating both have equal say in predicting your or deciding your loan amount, right? It can happen that your salary may have some weightage and your credit score may have some weightage in deciding the value of Y. So if let's say someone's salary is 2 lakhs per month and their credit score is let's say 900, it can happen that the weightage of credit rating is like 4 times of this. So W2 is 4 and salary, whatever is your salary, it's like 2 times of your salary. So that is how your loan calculation will happen. So ultimately, from where are you getting this value of 2 and 4? It is from the past data that the model had, based on which it was able to come up to these values, that whenever the salary, whatever the salary and credit rating were, approximately these were the weights based on which it was able to learn this equation. So whenever we talk about training a model, why are we really training a model? Remember, because there is always a mathematical equation behind the scene. Y equals to, let's say, m of x plus c. Okay. Whenever I say, hey, I have a machine learning model, I am saying, hey, I have a mathematical equation. That's it. But that mathematical equation, I have some constants which I don't know. I know that, okay, if let's say this is the age, this is the loan to give to some person. I know for any given x, I can predict y. But can I really do that without knowing the value of m and c? No, because these are some constants which will only come from historical data when I train the model. That's how these values will learn. When we say model is learning, model is not learning anything other than these values, guys. So any machine learning model, when we say it's learning, it is actually learning these values, like what should be the best possible value of these weights. And C is known as intercept, M is known as the coefficient, C is known as the intercept. I will talk later. Okay. So that is only based on the historical data.